The annual visit really was derived from the contractor wanting to maintain a relationship with their customer. It was going out 2 times a year, check the equipment, make sure the heating was running right, make sure the cooling was running right. But a lot of times they were going out during inopportune times to actually service the equipment. And so it was more around the relationship, the idea that maybe they would get to sell them something, which a lot of times didn't transpire because we don't have techs that like to do selling. Was about the idea that the equipment needed checked twice a year, and in reality, it doesn't. If we commission it properly, it should continue to run fine for years without a lot of maintenance. It's just like your home refrigerator sits and runs for 20 years without a problem. If you're a contractor and you implement a process where you commission equipment, commissioning means we actually take it to ideal conditions. We make sure that the airflow is right, we make sure the charge is right, we make sure we have good filtering, so we're going to trap that dirt and throw it away so we don't have things like dirty evaporator coils or condensate lines to blow out. We do a couple little things to prep the equipment, then we can actually install a set of sensors and then monitor it going forward to see that if it's deviating in operation. So the idea here is that we're going to maintain that relationship now through technology, right? We have an app that the consumer gets a weekly report on how their equipment's operating, or a monthly report how it's operating. They can open up at any time and see how their equipment's operating. And if there's a problem, it's going to notify the homeowner and it's going to notify the contractor that there's an issue. And when you pull the application up, obviously it's branded to your brand, so that you get that to maintain that relationship with that consumer, and you actually achieve everything that you want to do with technology without exposing yourself to that second truck trip, without exposing yourself to that unintended callback, without exposing yourself to the cost, all the overhead costs of just simply sending a technician out to the field. So there's a lot of advantages to this whole concept of smart maintenance, or the 2-in-1, or we call it 1 and done, which means like if it's a heat pump system, we're going to test it one time and we're just going to monitor it going forward. On a furnace, we go out once a year to inspect the venting, inspect the heat exchanger, and those types of things, but really not needed on a heat pump type equipment. We can just monitor it ongoing. Changing your service agreements from 2 to 1 to either 2 to 1 or 1 and done, meaning that we're going to go from 2 times a year to 1 time a year, is absolutely the best thing you can do for your consumer, because they're getting you out there when they actually need you. When we're monitoring the system and looking for it to degrade in operation, right, we're servicing it at the right time. There's a cost to rolling that truck out there for the company, but there's also a real cost for the consumer. And if they're paying you to do service when the service doesn't need to be done, and we all know we do this, we're thinking, oh, we got to have our guys busy on that shoulder season, right? Well, what if you were actually identifying real problems on systems and fixing real problems for consumers, or maybe doubling up the number of service contracts you could have instead of the latter, doing what you're doing today, right? It's a win for everybody. And it's a big win for the consumer, again, as we're doing the work at the time that the work needs to be done. And we're monitoring the system 24/7, 7 days a week. When you're on vacation, you know your system's being monitored. When you're sleeping, you know your system's being monitored. When we know we have a catastrophic issue, we know you're going to get an alert, the consumer's going to get an alert, the company's going to get an alert, and we're going to get somebody out there before your ceiling falls in, right? Water damage is a significant thing. And here's the other key thing we got to think about. As a consumer, a month goes by, you get a huge electric bill, and you're wondering what in the heck is going on here, right? Because you can't put that electricity back in the meter. Once it's used, it's used. If we can identify that problem before it becomes a big problem, then we have an opportunity to solve that giant electric bill before you ever get it. And that's, I think, what really makes Smart AC slick is that 24-hour-a-day monitoring. Every 20 seconds, getting all those points of data on your system gives us a window into operation that twice-a-year maintenance just doesn't provide.